Hi, today I will share with you a demo experiment on how to characterize a speed reader's radiation performance. This is a handheld spectrum analyzer. The frequency covers up to 44 GHz, and the resolution bandwidth is from 1 Hz to 10 MHz. This is a double-range antenna. The working frequency is from 18 GHz to 44 GHz. We use this antenna to receive the reader's radiation signal. This is a Bunnell speed reader. It's based on Doppler frequency drift to measure the speed. The working mechanism is the same as a fixed speed reader sitting on the road pool. We point the reader directly to the antenna. The distance is about 30 centigram, and you can see we got a signal right there. You can see the signal frequency is 24.119 GHz, and the power is about 25 dBm. We turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. You can see the noise floor is about minus 78 dBm. We put the antenna and the reader directly in front of the spectrum analyzer. Okay, we turn on. The maximum is about minus 20 dBm. We change the direction of the antenna. You can see the maximum is minus 40 dBm. Okay, the peak power is about minus 45 dBm. Here, the peak power is about minus 40 dBm. Change back. You can see the peak power is about minus 20 dBm. We put the reader directly to the antenna here and see what we can get. Turn on, you can see the maximum power is about minus 7 dBm. Turn off, turn on, turn off. We remove the antenna and the cable. Let's see, we put the reader in front of the spectrum analyzer. The distance is about 30 centigram. Let's see the IF shading performance of the spectrum analyzer. Okay, we put the reference level to minus 40 dBm, and the internal attenuator is set to 0 dB, so it can detect a very small signals. We turn on the reader. You can see the peak power is about minus 70 dBm, and the noise floor is about minus 85 dBm. We turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. That's what we got. When we put a terminator to the input, we turn on very little signals. Maybe minus 80 dBm. Can you see? Turn on. Here, very little signal. The signal is still about minus 60 dBm. The distance may be about 100 meters. Our engineer is right there. The signal is still about minus 60 dBm. 还可以继续走，还很高呢，还很强呢。I let my engineer go further. 对好了，可能信号现在有点小，可能有点比较晃。现在应该有150米了吧？I think the distance is about 150 meters, and you can see the peak power is about minus 70 dBm. 好了，你先停一停，我给你远程给你弄个特写。You can see the frequency. The signal is right there.好了，好，这样吧。